guys, how are you? Today I want to give you 4 reasons to buy a GoPro Hero 11 over a DJI Action 4. First reason, photo quality. GoPro Hero 11 has got 27 megapixel photo. So the photo will look a lot better with a GoPro Hero 11 than with a DJI Action 4. I tried them both, okay? And I can tell you with DJI, people will look distorted, will look unreal, will have long legs, long arms and stuff, crazy stuff like that. Well, with GoPro, the photo will just look better. You will not have such distortion, okay? Then second reason, GPS. GoPro Hero 11 has got the GPS built in, okay, so you can add all the GPS overlays to your video. So basically you will have the height, the speed and other kind of overlays, although there's no the distance, unfortunately, okay. Then a third reason why you should buy a GoPro Hero 11 over the DJI Action 4 is very important, is the minimum focus distance. With the GoPro Hero 11, the minimum focus distance is only 30 centimeters, okay, but with the DJI Action 4 is 40 centimeters. So basically the GoPro Hero 11 allow you to be a little bit closer to the camera when you are talking to the camera, okay. I love to talk to the camera just like I'm doing now, and with the DJI Action 4 there is a higher chance that my face will look distorted. I will have a bigger nose. Honestly, I tried it. I had the DJI Action 4 and I sold it, okay. So yeah, trust me on that. The fourth reason that applies mostly to UK, but I think it's worldwide. Basically, GoPro just lowered their prices. So basically, GoPro Hero 11 here in UK right now is sold for £250, while DJI Action 4 still stays at £289. So go for it and go and buy your GoPro. GoPro did not sponsor this video, unfortunately. It's just my honest review, my honest experience, okay. So I hope you like this video, so please leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Bye.